scared? Or just some stuck for a Halloween party at school? I'm a treasure. Oh, I didn't know you were gonna have a Halloween party at school. Well, we're just gonna dress up and play some games. Oh, that sounds like fun. School parties always are. You get out of study.
Yeah, Halloween's a lot of fun for sure.
Don't you like Halloween parties?
Got it just about all planned. I thought we'd finish off the